Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Adele Crochet. In this video I will be making this gorgeous ruffled cluster hat featuring the cluster stitch and the double crochet stitch. As you can see, it is sized for women. It's very easy for beginners and I hope you like it. Let's get started. For this project I am using Tunkstar Maxi yarn. It is 100% acrylic and each skein is 100 grams, which is about 300 meters long. I will be using a 3.5mm crochet hook. At the beginning, make a magic ring. Work 6 cluster stitches into the ring, with 2 chains between each cluster stitch. Skip the 2 turning chains and close the round by making a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Then, make another slip stitch to move inside the space. For round 2, chain 2. And note that these 2 chains count as part of your first cluster stitch. Now, work 2 clusters in each space around, making 2 chains between each increase. You should end up with a total of 12 cluster stitches. Skip the 2 turning chains and close the round by making a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Then, make another slip stitch to move inside the space. For the 3rd round, chain 2 and work 2 cluster stitches between the 2 increased stitches. Then, chain 2 and work only 1 cluster stitch in the next space. Repeat this pattern and make additional rounds until you reach a crown diameter of 17 centimeters. Work an increase inside the increased spaces, and work only one cluster stitch in the single spaces, and so on. After reaching the required size, we will stop increasing. Starting from round 7, we will only work one cluster stitch in each space. This means we will work one cluster stitch between the 2 increased stitches, and one cluster stitch in the next space, and so on. Work 5 rounds with no increases. Skip the 2 turning chains, and close the round by making a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now, chain 3, and work 3 double crochets into the same ring. Then, work 3 double crochets in the space, and repeat this all the way around the row. Slip stitch into the 2nd chain to close the round. In the next row, chain 3, and work 2 double crochets in each stitch. Repeat this to the end of the row, and do 1 more row. Finish the work with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, cut the yarn, and weave in the ends.